In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own circle. So, Community, a fantastic platform designed to bring people together in vibrant online spaces, we'll take it step by step, ensuring you feel confident in creating a community that's both engaging and functional. Let's begin by navigating to Circle.so's homepage. Once you're there, look for the sign up button and give it a click. This will guide you through the process of creating your account. Shortly after you've entered your details, keep an eye on your inbox for a verification email. It might take a minute, but verifying your email is crucial to continue. Next, you'll be ready to jump into the fun part, creating your first community or space. You'll see a prompt inviting you to do just that, so go ahead and click on it. Now is the time to think creatively. When prompted, you'll enter a name for your space, ensuring it resonates with the purpose of your community. You'll also select a template, which could be tailored around a community, a course, or another format that suits your needs best. Now let's configure your space settings. This involves clicking on the Space Settings option. You have the opportunity to define who gets to be a part of your community. Is it an exclusive members-only club, a public forum, or perhaps a space restricted by a paid plan? You can select the appropriate access level under the settings by using the gear icon. Remember to save these changes to make them effective. For those of you planning to monetize your space, there's the possibility to set up plans. Head into the payment settings where you'll find the option to create a plan. You'll enter a name and set a price for the plan, choose the access level, and save these details to kickstart your community's monetization. Your community should be interactive and full of life. To enhance interactivity, you can enable various features such as posts, events, polls, and file sharing. Each of these elements adds an extra layer of engagement for your members and helps to foster a lively environment. If you intend to invite others to join your space, go to the Invite Members section. Here, you can either enter the emails of those you want to invite or simply copy the invite link to share it widely. Branding your community is another key aspect. Navigate to the branding section where you can upload a logo, set a favicon, and choose colors that reflect your community's identity. For those who want to expand functionality, you might consider using integrations. Whether it's connecting to Stripe for payments, Zapier for automation, or using Google Tag Manager and email tools, you have these options under the integration settings. Finally, it's crucial to test everything to ensure smooth operation. Log out of your admin account and access your space as a member would. Check posts, events, and any payment or access restrictions to confirm everything is working as intended. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Circle.so community. With these steps, your space is now set to become a thriving hub for interaction and engagement.